Today I'm going to show you all the different ways in which I make compost and the different types of bins I use to make it in. Okay, here is the lazy method. Just make a pile somewhere in your yard. Another method is to take a bunch of leaf bags and form a circle or a square and put the pile in the center. Now this works a little bit better than the lazy method in that it prevents any leaves or debris from blowing out into the rest of your yard. And here we have the wood pallet compost bin. This is probably my preferable one that I use the most because I get wood pallets frequently for free, and it's quick and easy to make and somewhat permanent, although the drawback is the pallets will rot eventually, so you will need to replace them in the future. And the last type of compost bin that I use is made of cinder blocks. This is the most permanent type of compost bin, will last the longest, but it is more difficult to build, and I find that the aeration is not as good, so I don't think that it composts as quickly as, say, in the wood pallet bin where you see all the openings where airflow can get in, and I find that the material tends to compost quicker in this type of bin.